In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle a missed payment on Deferit. If a repayment slips by, don't stress. We'll walk through fixing it quickly and keeping your account in good standing. First, log into your Deferit account using the app or website. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that the app is up to date so everything loads correctly. If you can't access your account, use the standard password reset option and try again. That keeps your details safe while getting you back in. Next, check your missed payment. Head to the bills or payments area and look for anything marked missed, overdue, or past due. Open the bill to see the amount, the original due date, any outstanding installments, and whether a late fee has been applied. Confirm which funding source was linked to that schedule so you know why it failed. An expired card or low balance are common causes. Then make the payment manually. Select the overdue bill, choose your preferred payment method, and confirm the exact amount. If a card has expired or a bank account changed, update those details before you proceed. Wait for the confirmation screen or email, and refresh the page to ensure the balance shows as paid or reduced. If you're paying close to another scheduled installment, double check that you're not duplicating a payment. If anything looks off, like an error message, a fee you don't recognize, or a payment that doesn't reflect, contact Deferit support. From the help or support section, start a chat or submit a request and include your bill reference, the date you attempted payment, and a short description of what happened. Clear details help the team resolve issues faster. To avoid late fees going forward, try to clear missed amounts as soon as you notice them. Review Deferit's fee policy in your region so you know the timeline for when fees apply, and keep enough funds available on the day payments are due. Finally, set up reminders, turn on push and email notifications inside Deferit, and add calendar reminders a day or two before each installment. Match these alerts with your pay cycle so the timing works for you. A quick monthly check of your bills tab can also catch issues early. That's it. Log in, review the missed item, pay it manually. Reach out for help if you need it. Avoid fees and use reminders to stay on track. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Deferit payments running smoothly.